Hello all, my name is Danil Vanags and we have just been over for a few days here at ASPiH2025. It was really interesting meeting all new people and faces. The conversations that we usually have is all things innovative around simulation. So from different perspectives, not only just healthcare, but also multidisciplinary. It's really exciting to hear people's opinion on AI within the simulation field. Not only what they think, their misconceptions, but also how they want to improve within their simulation field. Some of the common conversation that we had was how fast AI is evolving within the field of simulation. People are completely bewildered of what the possibilities are and what tomorrow has to bring. At Logosnet, what we do is we love to hear all of that excitement and all that AI has to offer and really open our possibilities to what we can offer. At ASPiH 2025, it's been a really life-changing experience. I've learned a lot of insights from very different professions, nursing, healthcare, and care. It's been really amazing, and I love talking to everyone. I loved ASPiH 2025 and hope to see you next year.